Presenting the 2015 Nissan Juke. It's powered by a 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine and a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include a power sunroof, alloy rims, a spoiler, an alarm system, keyless entry, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, anti-lock brakes. On the inside, you'll find Bluetooth connectivity, Sirius XM satellite radio, and auxiliary input, steering wheel controls, push-button start, automatic climate control, a backup camera, curtain head airbags, front airbags, side airbags. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
This pre-owned vehicle includes a 10-year, 100,000-mile limited drivetrain warranty, a year of scheduled maintenance including 3 oil changes, a tire rotation, and rental car coverage. Don't you deserve the Bill Cole advantage?